Hello everyone and welcome to Vilinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix File Explorer not responding issues in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If your File Explorer is frequently becoming unresponsive on Windows 11, there are a few straightforward solutions we can try. First, let's address the most common culprit: restarting the Windows Explorer process. To do this, press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete simultaneously, and select Task Manager from the menu that appears. Once the Task Manager is open and the processes have loaded, locate Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click on it, and then choose the Restart option. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches causing File Explorer to freeze. Another effective method for resolving system-wide issues, including File Explorer problems, is to ensure your Windows operating system is up to date. To check for updates, right-click on the Start button, select Settings from the context menu, and then navigate to the Windows Update tab. Click on the option to check for and install any available updates. Keeping your system updated can patch known bugs and improve overall stability. Finally, performing a disk cleanup can help free up space and remove temporary files that might be interfering with system performance. To initiate disk cleanup, search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and click on the application to open it. After it scans your drive, you will be presented with a list of files to delete. Select all the checkboxes for the files you wish to remove, then click OK. Confirm your choice by selecting Delete Files. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.